Alright, second part of the video, we are going to keep on going. Okay. Number 11. 12 feet equals blank yards. Okay. So I'm going to erase some of this stuff, get it out of our way. Okay. Okay, 12 feet equals blank yards. So, again, I'm going from smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger means I need to divide. So I'm dividing something with 12. Okay? Because I have my 12 over here, so I know I need to do something with the 12. I'm dividing it. I don't know if it's my dividend or a divisor, but we'll see. So feet and yards. How many yards are in a foot? No, that doesn't make sense. It's how many feet are in a yard, because feet are smaller. So how many feet fit into 1 yard? Because that's what I need to figure out. How many feet can fit into 1 yard? Okay? 3 feet fit into 1 yard, which is why number 4 was so important. Okay? So I know that 3 feet fit into 1 yard. So when I say 12 feet equals blank yards, I need to know how many groups of 3 can fit into 12. And my answer is 4. 4 yards. Again, if I want to make a graph, I could do feet, and then I could do yards. And I could say, well, 3 feet is 1 yard. And I can keep going until I get to 12 feet. Okay? Because remember, I don't know this number yet if I'm starting all over. I don't know that number yet. So that I could go 6 feet is 2 yards. 9 feet is 3 yards. And then 12 feet would be 4 yards. Okay? 12 feet would be 4 yards. Ready? Next one. Next one. Here we go. 5 feet equals blank inches. Bigger to smaller. What am I doing? Bigger to smaller. That is what I'm doing, so I need to multiply. Bigger to smaller means I multiply. So 5 times something. Okay? Now, feet, inches. So how many feet are in 1 inch? No, that doesn't make sense. But how many inches are in a foot? Okay, I just need to know how many of one are in one of the other. Okay, so how many inches are in 1 foot? 12. So if I do 5 times 12, that's going to give me my answer. Okay, so my answer here is 60. And, sorry, I'm getting distracted here. So, when I'm looking at my 5 feet, I'm saying I have 5 groups of 12 inches, right? So I have 1 group of 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Now those really aren't 12s, but for this case. So here's 12 inches, that's 1 foot, here's another foot, here's another foot, here's another foot, and here's another foot. Okay? 12 inches each. So those are all inches. Okay? If I don't put all the labels here, it's going to bug me because I ask you guys to label things all the time, so I'm going to have to learn. Okay? So then I have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Alright? Number 13, 72 inches equals blank feet. Now I notice my labels are different now. They're on opposite sides, so I'm going to divide because I'm going smaller to bigger. Okay, smaller to bigger, so I'm dividing. So I take 72, I'm dividing by something. Okay? Now I'm going inches to feet. Well, how many inches are in 1 foot? Again, always want to go back to how many are in 1. So 12 inches in a foot. Okay? The answer is going to be 6. Okay? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. 6 feet. This says 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Okay? Next page, number 14. Okay? It says circle the best estimate. Circle the best estimate. How long is a pencil? 8 inches or 8 feet? Okay, do that one on your own. Number 15, how far is it between 2 cities? 16, how wide is your bedroom? And 17, how long is your bed? Answer 14 through 17. I'm going to wait and then I'm going to let the video play. All right. A pencil, about 8 inches. Okay. How far is it between two cities? 100 yards? 100 yards is a football field. Okay. So for those of you who play sports or know about football, 100 yards is a football field. So between cities, it'd be about 100 miles. That's like from Yorba Linda down to San Diego. Okay, so 100 miles is better. Okay. Now it's not, of course, always 100 miles, but in this case, yes. Number 16, how wide is your bedroom? Longer than 4 feet. Some of you are taller than 4 feet, so you can fit in your bedroom. So not 4 feet, probably 4 yards. Okay, which would be 12 feet. Okay. How long is your bed? 16 feet or 6 feet? Probably 6 feet, though Mr. Craig would like a 16-foot bed. That would be nice. I don't think they make them, though. Wouldn't fit in my room either. So, 6 feet. Probably 6 feet. Okay? Customary liquid volume. So, we just went through the length. So, this messy page on the back here, these are all length measurements. Okay? These were all length. Okay? We did customary length measurements. Okay? Now, when we're starting, we're going to do customary liquid volume. Liquid volume means how much is inside of a container. How much liquid is inside a container. Okay? So the customary units of liquid volume from least to greatest, okay, are, we start with cups. And we're going to see this today. Hopefully you saw this today in class when we did our gallon man. Okay? Cups. Then we go to pints. Then we go to quarts. And then our biggest one is gallons. Again, this is least to greatest. Least to greatest. Okay? I like the way that green looks. I think I'm going to keep it. Okay? So, there are some ones that you probably need to have memorized. We'll put a star on them as we go through. Okay. 16 cups is 1 gallon. So we need to have this one memorized. Okay, 16 cups is 1 gallon. Okay. 4 cups, 2 cups is a pint. 4 quarts, 2 cups. Okay, so we'll start with this one. This is one to memorize. And then I'll show you on another page the other ones to have memorized. Your gallon man will definitely help you with this one. Okay, your gallon man will definitely help you with this one. Okay. This says complete the following conversion. So 8 cups equals blank pints. Okay. And actually, on the back of your paper, I want you to flip the back of your paper over right now. I'm going to go to a blank screen. So on the back of your paper, we need to write some things down that are going to help us. Okay? 1 pint. Okay? 1 pint equals 2 cups. Okay? 1 quart. Okay, this is 1 pint. 1 quart, okay, equals 2 pints, which equals 2 cups. Or sorry, 4 cups. Okay, write this down on the back of your paper. I'm going to go quickly. If you want, you can pause this video at any point in time and then resume it. So you can pause it and then resume it. Okay. So 1 quart is 2 pints. 2 pints is 4 cups. Okay. 1 gallon. One gallon, okay, is 4 quarts. Four quarts, okay, is equal to 8 pints. Okay. Okay? And 8 pints is equal to 16 cups. Okay? So with these conversions, this will help us on the page before. Okay? You may need them, you may not. I'm going back to our worksheet, our study guide. If you need to pause this to write this down, go ahead and pause it, and then resume. Okay? So we're back here. 8 cups equals blank pints. Okay? 8 cups, think about gallon man. 8 cups is going to equal 4 pints. Okay? Again, I am going from smaller to bigger, which means I need to divide. So if I have 8 cups, I need to divide by something. Well, how many cups are in 1 pint? How many cups are in 1 pint? That's what I need to know. Okay? And here I see there are 2 cups in 1 pint. Okay? So I'm going to divide 2. And I'm going to get the answer of 4. Okay? 12 quarts equals blank gallons. Okay, 12 quarts equals blank gallons. I'm going from smaller to bigger, which again means I need to what? I need to divide, right? Or sorry, now I'm getting confused. Okay? Okay, so I am dividing. I had to pause the video real quick or something. I am dividing. So I have 12 here. And I need to think how many quarts are in 1 gallon. So I'm smaller to bigger, so I'm dividing. And gallons can't fit into quarts, but quarts can fit into gallons. So I know that there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So I have 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay? 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, if I wanted to make a graph for this, I could have gallons, and I could have quarts. And I could say 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So 2 gallons would be 8 quarts. 3 gallons would be 12 quarts. And I would stop here because I have my 12 here, and I have my 12 over here. Okay, and I would see 3 gallons. Okay. Number 22. Number 22. 6 pints equals blank cups. Well, pints are bigger than cups, so I'm going bigger to smaller. So bigger to smaller means I'm multiplying. So I'm going 6 times something. Now, how many cups are in a pint? 2 cups are in 1 pint. Okay? 2 cups are in 1 pint. So I come back here, I have 2 cups are in 1 pint. So I need to count 2 cups 6 times, right? So 2 cups are in 1 pint. I'm going to get 12. Okay? Now I'm going to erase that. If I wanted to put this on a graph, if I wanted to chart it out, I could have cups, and I could have pints. Okay? And I could say 1 pint is 2 cups. Okay? So 2 pints would be 4 cups. 3 pints would be 6. 4, 8, I'm going to get off the screen here. 5 would be 10, and then 6 would be 12. Okay. Number 23. I'm going to start this actually on the last video. There are 3 videos for you guys to watch. I'm going to finish the last one on the next video. Okay? You guys are doing a great job. You're almost done. You're almost done. Next video.